Hey y'all, the vocal doctor here, Stephanie Derrick. I'm here to discuss why do we take voice lessons. The number 2 reason. It is in order to be able to show you proper posture. Posture is how you sit or stand when you sing. It does make a difference in your singing voice. If you're hunching your shoulders over, having your back all crooked over, you need to straighten up your back, raise your chest high like you're giving attention as a sailor or a military person. Keep your chest high. It opens and expands the lungs so you can be able to get in proper air. So your posture is very important. And this is one of the reasons why we actually take voice lessons. Remember, that's number 2. Click in the DMs if you need help in this area or the link in my bio. Bye.